Rain is a meteorological phenomenon in which water vapor in the atmosphere condenses into water droplets and falls to the Earth's surface. Rain typically occurs as a result of the cooling of clouds and the condensation of water vapor. These droplets merge with each other to form larger drops and eventually fall to the ground. Rainfall varies in intensity and frequency in different regions of the world, depending on climate, geography, and seasons. Rain is essential for the growth of vegetation, replenishing water sources, and is a crucial part of the Earth's water cycle. For humans, rain contributes to water resources and plays a significant role in agriculture, energy production, and water consumption. Additionally, rain holds symbolic meanings in many cultures and is frequently used in poetry, art, and literature. Rain is a beautiful and important aspect of nature, but it can also lead to adverse effects such as floods and disasters. Therefore, the control and management of rainwater are essential for the sustainable use of water resources.